you giving him toys? You giving a horse?
Horse.
Horse. Say, hey Isabel, look at me. Say stick.
Lick.
Stick.
Lick.
Say stick.
Lick.
That's better than what Rachel used to say. What is that? Puzzle.
Butter.
Puzzle.
Butter.
Tristan's supposed to be taking a nap. Isabel's supposed to be in the living room playing. Turtle. 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 Turn it over. Look at the front of it. That's the back. Look at the front. Turn it over. Where's its face?
Monster.
Cookie Monster. Here, let me turn him on. Let me turn him on. He's turned off. I turned him off. Cookie Monster. Here. Bubba knows how to do it. Show her how to do it, Bubba. Show her how to play with that Cookie Monster. Did you find Dunca's phone? Go show Dunca. Come on, go show Dunca what you found. Go show Dunca. Show Dunca. Say Dunca.
Mommy.
Say Dunca.
Wow, the phone.
Oh, Dunca's working on the car. At least he got her out of there. Excuse me. I love you. Who is that? Is that Cookie Monster? Isabel! Get in here now. Like I wasn't going to know who went out that door. Please.
Dunca.
Yep, Dunca. Come back in here.